Connect your soldering iron into a power socket. In some soldering iron, LED light will show to show that it is connected properly into the socket. Apply soldering paste on the surface. Now you can use soldering wire and soldering iron to remove the broken LCD from the phone. Prepare the new LCD and get it ready to be fixed. Apply some soldering wire on the new LCD. Remember, the battery is removed from the phone while fixing the LCD on the phone. Don't make any mistake of fixing the LCD with the battery inserted in the phone. Now, apply some soldering paste on the surface where the LCD will be fixed. Make sure that the LCD is placed at its right position on the phone before you start to resolder it back on its position. You can now turn on the phone to check if it is properly soldered. Now place back the phone cover and rescrew it. Your phone is now ready for use. Thank you for watching these tips of phone repair. You can come back and watch next time when a new video is uploaded. Make sure you subscribe and click notification bell so that you are notified in case any new video is uploaded on this channel. Thank you, and thank you very much for your support. I appreciate your support. Bye bye.